Hey everyone! Today, I'm showing you how to grow chili plants at home using clever ideas and affordable tech step by step. Doesn't matter if you've only got a rooftop, a balcony, or just a tiny patch of backyard, this guide will help you grow healthy, fiery chilies right where you live. Let's dive straight in. First up, choosing the right chili variety. You want something both reliable and suited to your taste. Here are 3 top picks. G4 Hybrid, if you're after a huge harvest. Bajolokia, if you're brave and love it extra spicy. Or Pusa Jwala, a classic for kitchen gardeners. Now here's a smart tip. Try seed tapes. They're pre-spaced, so you just roll them out, and you'll get even spacing and better germination, saving both time and seeds. Now, let's talk soil. Chili plants absolutely love well-drained, slightly acidic soil. Aim for a pH between 6 and 7. Here's a budget-friendly mix you can whip up. 40% garden soil, 30% compost or vermicompost, and 30% coco peat. If you want to get technical, grab a cheap soil pH meter online. It tells you if your mix is chili ready. Watering is where many go wrong too much, and the plants sulk. Here's a clever DIY trick. Make a drip irrigation system out of an old plastic bottle. Just punch 2 or 3 tiny holes in the cap, fill it with water, and stick it upside down near the roots. It'll drip feed your plants, no waste, no fuss, and your chilies will love it. Light is next. Chilies need 6 to 7 hours of sunlight every day. Best spot? Anywhere facing southeast, a balcony or rooftop is perfect. In winter, use a bit of low-budget tech. Pop some aluminium foil or a mirror behind your pots to bounce extra sunlight onto the leaves. It's simple, and it really works. Fertilizing and pest control. Keep it organic. Every fortnight, feed your chilies with something natural. Cow dung compost, banana peel tea, even vermiwash if you can get it. For pests, neem oil sprays a winner. 5 milliliters in a liter of water does the trick. Or make a homemade garlic chili spray, just blitz and dilute. Then mist onto the leaves for cheap, safe protection. A little mist sprayer helps make sure you cover all the nooks and crannies. For the tech savvy, here's a bonus. Use free gardening apps like AgriApp or Kisansuvida. They'll send you climate tips, fertilizer reminders, and crop-specific advice right to your phone. Super handy, especially when you're just starting out. And finally, harvesting. In about 60 to 70 days, your chilies will be ready. Don't yank them off. Use scissors to snip them gently so you don't damage the plant. If you like them red, just wrap the green chilies in newspaper and pop them on a sunny windowsill for 4 to 5 days. They'll turn fiery in no time. So that's how you can grow chili plants at home with smart, wallet-friendly techniques. If you found this helpful, do give it a like, share it with your gardening mates, and subscribe for more. Drop a comment below. Let me know which plant you want to see next. Grow smart, eat fresh, stay spicy.